Well, this is Chuck and I'm Debbie. And welcome to the Chuck and Debbie Show. You Chuck?
Yeah.
I'm Debbie. It's the Chuck and Debbie Show, Homestyle. Are you ready for this?
Poppy, the man, the myth, the legend.
So says the grandchildren.
Hey, they got it for me. I didn't.
I know, I love it. So we've the house today. See the clouds? There's a storm on the way. So what are we doing?
We're grilling.
We're grilling on the Traeger grill. It's Homestyle Day for barbecue.
You know what's cool about this is
What?
I put all this chicken on here,
Yeah.
and I ain't gonna have no fire.
Ain't
I
gonna
got all
have
the
no
flavor,
fire.
all the smoke from the hickory wood chips that I've got in the hopper.
Oh, and I wish you could smell those hickory wood chips. Look, we've got pork steak, we've got ribs, we've got chicken. And what we like to do is cook it on a Saturday like this. And then all through the next week, we have food. Pull it out of the fridge and heat it up, put our veggies with it, and we are set to go. Oh, wee daddy. I'm loving this. I'm loving the Traeger. So there you go, folks. So we'll update you as it cooks and smokes, and it'll probably take it about...
Bite.
Not yet, but it won't be long. And yes, we will want a bite. So there you go. Oh, that looks wonderful. So it's a storm a brewing, and we decided to stay home and get things groomed up and ready to go. So here we go. Let
There's
that
gonna be a
baby
lot of
smoke.
rain. We're not gonna expect any
Right.
wind or anything bad. Like
Right. More of a tropical storm for us, if even that. So what a beautiful day, though. Even in the clouds, it's gorgeous. I love our view.
Well, you know what? The sun is always shining right above the clouds.
It never stops.
So just look for that sun. Even though you can't see it, you know it's up there.
Well, what do we call that in Florida?
Liquid sunshine.
That's right.
Yeah.
Liquid sunshine. And it's been raining, you can tell. But oh, what a pleasant time when it does. The tide is up. It's down a little from earlier today, but what a beautiful day. So, we'll check back in. She's smoking, and we'll come back and show you the results here soon. Oh boy, are they looking good. It's been 1 hour so far, right?
Yeah, about an hour and 15, hour and 20.
Oh, a little over an hour.
Yeah, I'm
So-
cooking on about 325, 350.
And you're pasting on, or painting on,
Yeah.
the barbecue sauce.
Now, I was told, and I know it to be true,
Yeah,
that you cook your meat, you season it,
yeah.
spice it, but cook your meat, you know, about 75% of it cooked.
Right.
Then you put your sauce on.
So it won't burn, right?
Well, so it won't burn and it's got time to
Season
soak
in.
but not burn off.
Oh, absolutely. Well, and you know, with Traeger, there's no open fire. It's wood chips and seasoned meat. And the wood chips bags upside down, but it's a...
You know, that's the premium, and that's got a blend of, let's see, cherry, hickory,
Ooh,
um,
that's a good one.
oak, and apple.
Oh, no wonder it's so good. Okay, and the Traeger, our Traeger grill, for those that are concerned of it being inside our screen porch, it's not gas. Ours is electric. And some of these hook up to Wi-Fi. We do not have that. We just manage it. We don't leave the house with it going. But we put a fan up if the wind is blowing wrong and it blows smoke out. But normally, like today, we don't have a problem. So, oh, we love our Traeger grill. We've had it about a year. And man, is it awesome. So Chuck is really learning how to do a lot of this. I season it in the kitchen. And then he takes care of the fire part and cooks. And then,
You want tell them what you put on it in the kitchen?
Sure, I always rub all the meat in olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And then I use a number of seasonings. It depends on what we're cooking. But for this, I simply went with a bottle of, from our local, we have a local steakhouse here on the beach called Angelo's. And I use their spice. I also use a spice from Captain Anderson's. So it's always local what I use, but it's a mixture and they sell them in their gift shops.
Two of the oldest and best restaurants
ever
anywhere.
Silver Spoon Awards, believe me, these are the best. So I use those for my seasonings. And today that's all I used, and Chuck's using his favorite barbecue sauce, so which that is a personal choice. Anybody can use what you want. So we love our Traeger, and look over here in anticipation. She's laying there watching, thinking,
Yeah, she's hoping we drop something.
where's mine? Not right there for you, baby girl. So this is about an hour, 20 minutes into it. And when it's done, probably another half hour maybe. Usually about 2 hours this is done.
This grill has a temperature probe.
Yeah.
You see the temperature over here is probe in.
Let me come around you and I'll show them this thing.
Yeah.
So right now we're at 204, but you had it set on
the
what?
temperature's down because I got the lid open.
Right, and what was it set on?
350.
Okay.
Alright. But anyway, I plugged the probe in here. And I take the probe and I can stick it in the meat.
Okay.
And you want your meat to be 160 degrees internal.
Okay.
Inside. When
Or-
it's that temperature or higher.
Or
yeah.
Debbie's way, the clear juice comes out.
Yeah.
Definitely. Definitely. Oh, that's wonderful, Dad. Thank you. So, Chuck, about another half hour to give or take, we'll come out and see how it looks ready to chow down on. Oh, look at that, folks. Oh, my word. And those are still pink, so they do have, it may even be another hour. Now, one thing about this, you can set the temp at 200 and let them smoke all day long. Or you can set it at 350 or higher and have it done in a 2-hour, 3-hour mode. So it's up to you. And believe me, it tastes grilled. It's not out of a kitchen. So we are loving it. Makes a wonderful time with the family when they're all here too. Anything else you want to add before? I mean, we'll come back when it's finished, but.
Well, I hope you folks enjoy your grilling if you're doing any this weekend. If not, think about it.
It's a healthy way to eat. Very healthy and does not heat up the house. So, all right. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Love it. Oh, look at there. My word, my heavenly days.
That one's yours.
What?
This is yours.
Why?
That's your dinner.
That's my dinner?
Yeah.
That one little measly piece of meat?
Yeah.
That's all I get out of that whole grill?
Yeah.
Who do you think you are? Huh? I think I'm going to get more than that out of that tray. Ooh-wee. Son, it looks good. It looks so good. Look at that. Mercy.
I think I'm going to try out the temperature probe.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do it on
You know where it is, right?
it. Yeah. You want to carry this in?
I'm going to get a picture of it. You betcha.
You got a picture.
You betcha. I videoed it. So he's plugging in the temperature probe for the meat. So it plugs in there. Now he's putting it into the meat.
Okay, it's 155 degrees.
Inside that piece of chicken.
Yeah. Let's check another one.
Okay. Ooh.
All right, that was 170.
Is it thinner? Not as
No,
thick?
it may be just where I've got it placed.
Well, sure. You want the thickest part of the meat, obviously.
Check that one.
Okay. Wonderful.
So by all accounts, it's done.
That's right. And I carried that tray in. If you want it back, we'll get it. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. So I've added just some broccoli and potatoes and rolls. Real simple for a summer afternoon. And Poppy,
Yeah, I'm hungry.
let's say bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
That dinner do look good. So we have got a meal
Fit for a king.
right there. Excuse our mess in our kitchen. We've been moving things around again. Thank you for watching the Chuck and Debbie Show. We've enjoyed today's version and hope that you have some nice dinner.
Yep. Enjoy.
All right. Take care, y'all. Bye-bye.
Peace.